Om Sai Ram to all Sai devotees. Wishing you all a great week. So here I come with today's guidance. You can also call it guidance for the week. And we want to pray, our dear Baba. Baba, give us the guidance for the week. We want to know how we should carry ourselves. And we want to know what is the message for us for this week. Here I'm putting Baba's cards. And let me just pick up a few cards which Baba wants. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. So Baba has asked me to pick up 5 cards for today. And Baba, here I surrender to you, and please give us the guidance for the week. Let me take out the first card. Protection. Baba says you are under the protection of Baba. So don't worry about any evil forces. Even if they're around you, Baba is always there to protect us. If anyone has any bad eyes on you, don't worry about it because you are under Baba's protection. Next card. The dream. Wow. Baba says that he is going to communicate to you through your dreams. Maybe you have seen some dreams recently, or you may be seeing in the coming few days. And Baba says, write down your dreams and I will convey some messages to you through your dreams. The third card. Bountifulness. Baba says you will have abundance. Baba ensures that you have what you need. So keep faith in Baba. Even if you don't have something that you need now, you'll be soon getting it by Baba's grace. If you have some plan in your mind, some event coming up, and you're worried about how you will go about it, Baba is going to arrange things on time. Next card. Look within. That's very true. Remember, God is always with us. Baba is always with us. He sits in our heart. So you need to meditate and look within yourself. Look within you, your heart and your mind. When you sit in silence and think about Baba and look within yourself, you will get the answers that you need. And the last card, mind power. This is very related. So mind power, your mind has tremendous power. Baba says, surrender it to Baba and let him direct it. So you see these 2 cards, look within and mind power, are very much related to each other. Baba sits within you, your heart and mind, and your mind, remember, your mind has tremendous power. So if you surrender it to Baba, if you have any wishes, surrender it to Baba, think about it, tell your dreams to Baba. You also got the card of dreams, so you tell about your dreams to Baba, surrender it to him and then forget. It is Baba's duty to give it to you on time. I hope this message is useful to all Sai devotees. Wish you all a great week ahead. Om Sai Ram.